Hey guys, it's Curtin and today I'm gonna do a review on this monitor which I just purchased lately as an additional screen to my laptop because I just started working from home. And this screen has just brought a whole new experience to my working life. This monitor is a HP X24C gaming monitor with a curved display, which is good for gaming or for movies because it gives you a very good experience. It also comes with an AMD FreeSync if your computer or laptop supports it. This screen is 23.6 inch and it comes with a really good price at 700 Malaysian dollar, which is 175 USD, below 200 USD. And this gaming monitor from HP also comes with 144 Hz refresh rate, which will reduce the blur by displaying images 2 times faster, which will give you a very smooth gaming experience. Besides that, you can also adjust the monitor to a perfect position for you because this monitor allows you to tilt the screen from -5° to 23°. As a summary, I think this gaming monitor is a pretty good deal. It comes with a good price tag, it has good color display, and then if you're using it for gaming, it will have a smooth gaming experience. And even if you're using it to watch movies, it is clear. And this gaming monitor is also not hard to set up. They have like a very clear description and instructions. And if you guys are looking for a gaming monitor or just monitor itself, can consider this monitor. Then thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.